Hey guys, so for today's lesson, we are on Unit 8, Lesson 3. We're going to talk about ways we use integers and when we use negative integers specifically. We use negative integers in several ways. Most of the time, they're part of higher mathematics. We'll work with negative integers a lot when you guys begin algebra. However, there are common ways we use negative integers in everyday life. The most common example is temperature. We live in Minnesota here, so we deal with a lot of extremely cold weather in the winter months. I've seen it in my 4 or 5 years living here. I've seen it hit -55 with wind chill, which is pretty cold. So on a thermometer would be one example. And 0 is an important dividing line on the thermometer, just like it is on the number line. The graphics show how the movement on the thermometer is similar to movement on the number line. So many places around the world experience temperatures that go below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, which Minnesota would be one of those places. Antarctica, Greenland, these are all really cold places. The thermometer on the left shows the temperature at 10 degrees above 0, and that's the part that's shaded in red. The thermometer on the right shows the temperature is now -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, the part down here is shaded in the red. We can show the change in temperature on a number line. Remember, the temperature started out at 10 degrees above 0 and ended at -4 degrees below 0. So we started with a 10 and we ended with a -4 on the number line. We can see that the temperature dropped 14 degrees total. Using a number line can help us avoid errors. If your friend wants to know how much the temperature changed from the morning to the afternoon, your friend says that the difference between -5 degrees Fahrenheit and 22 degrees Fahrenheit is 17 degrees. This is wrong. Let's use a number line to see the correct answer. The number line shows us that the temperature increased 27 degrees total, from -5 degrees Fahrenheit to 22 degrees Fahrenheit. Your friend started at 5 instead of -5. The temperature increased 27 degrees from morning to afternoon. This is the correct answer. This is a common error that students make. It's important to watch out for this error and what the question is really asking. It's easier to put this on a number line and actually get the correct answer. Elevation is another way to think about negative integers. Using a number line helps us see the change in elevation. When something is at sea level, we say that its elevation is at 0 feet. The diver starts at sea level and dives down 50 feet. Now the diver's elevation is -50 feet, or 50 below sea level. Those were some ways that we think about using integers in real life scenarios. Look for the VMath assignment that will be due today for this lesson. Thanks, guys.